What's poppin' with you guys on the YouTube? My name is Mr. Buck, and I'm bringing you a review today, another video. I'm gonna be reviewing the Swag Academy. If you click this video, you're probably thinking about whether or not you should get the Swag Academy. I purchased it a few months ago, and I'm gonna give you a review and basically tell you what I think about the Swag Academy. Now, first off, this isn't no bash or diss to Swaggy C. I actually like Swaggy C and respect him and would want to sit down with him one day and chop it up, just talk about business and stuff like that. Hopefully I can get to that point. I'm gonna start with how I found out about the Swag Academy. When I started looking into trading, of course Swaggy C was popping up. You know, he has good thumbnails, good titles on his videos, and he's growing immensely on YouTube. So if anybody's looking up trading on YouTube, you're gonna run across Swaggy C. I love the way how he explained a lot of things. It made it simple for me to understand. I felt like he was probably the best teacher for me because I could kind of relate to him in his story. He came from the bottom, really, in a sense, and came up to where he is now today. Young black entrepreneur. I could kind of relate to him and aspire to be, you know, in that realm. His course has a couple tiers right now. Tier 1 at the time I bought it was $300, and I think tier 2 is like $850. I really just didn't want to pay $850, so I just went with the $300 course. And before I purchased the Swag Academy, I knew a little bit about trading. You know, I didn't really know too much. I knew kind of the basics, how candlesticks worked, and I really didn't know a trading style or trading kind of plan before purchasing the Swag Academy. I'm gonna run through some reasons why I really thought the Swag Academy was a good buy for me. First off, I like the way his course site is built. It's structured, really modern and easy to maneuver around and click. You can't get lost on his, you know, course site. I like the fact that the way he goes over, you know, the basics of Forex. He breaks it down into, you know, almost his simplest form to where, you know, somebody who doesn't know anything about trading can get this and can understand it. A lot of the lessons that he had you know, quizzes to take afterwards. I did like that. That's a lot of engagement within, you know, the course. You're going over what you just learned and you're getting quizzed on it. You're getting tested, you know, so that is a great thing that he did implement in his course that I do like. He also has some kind of like timeline. It's almost like Facebook on there, where people can post their setups and post, you know, just certain things that they feel about the market or how they feel about the course. His videos on his lessons weren't that long either. You know, they weren't 30-minute videos, 45-minute videos. The videos were just, you know, short enough for him to get the point across so you can get it, and short enough so you don't lose, you know, interest in the video, or because a lot of people these days have a short attention span. I also like the fact that he brought in the concept of trading key levels, bank levels. I really like that idea. That really opened my eyes to other things, because you got to understand that there's market makers and market movers. So us as retail traders, we don't move the market. There's banks, institutions, places that actually move the market. So if you want to, you know, decrease your losing rate, you want to trade more like the banks and the market movers and the market makers. Now I'm going to talk about a couple things that I did not like about the course. In his tier 1, you know, this is a review of his tier 1, right? $300. I really didn't like how quick the course was. I don't feel like it was long enough. You can really run through it really fast, even though he says not to. You can if you wanted to. Obviously you wouldn't do that, but you can get through the course kind of fast. Also, he really only goes over kind of one trading strategy in a sense. He only teaches you how to trade key levels, which, you know, I explained earlier are where the banks trade. That's intraday swing trading kind of strategy, and some people don't want to come in and swing trade or intraday trade. A lot of people would like to scout. So I think he failed to put in different kind of strategies in there to accommodate all trading types. Also, in some of his videos, I can kind of tell some of the content was taken off his YouTube and put on his course. Which, I mean, that's okay, but at the same time, if we're paying $300, you want to maybe switch it up and not put anything that's out there for free. That's just my opinion, but you know, it is what it is. In some of his videos, he seemed kind of tired, you know, or kind of off. Like he'll be yawning or coughing, and it just, some of them seem like he didn't really fully prepare to take the shoot the video. He just kind of did it right after a trading session or something like that, and people would rather you just go to sleep and make the video the next day. He put it out there, and he still know what he was talking about. It's not like he was saying stupid things. Really, to sum up the Swag Academy, I did enjoy it. I enjoyed learning on his platform. I learned a lot of things on the Swag Academy, things that I didn't know before. He teaches you about trading key levels, which I think is very important that one should know. He goes over every aspect of trading, psychology, risk management, things like that. I don't think there was any topics missed by him other than him going in more in depth into things, and he does have a tier 2, which is $850, so in that tier he may go over things a little bit more. Swag has posted that he is revamping the Swag Academy, taking off every video and putting it all on with new content. So we'll see how that is after he does the revamp of the Swag Academy. Yeah, to me, if you don't want to search around YouTube and put in that work to find free free education and free content, I would recommend getting the Swag Academy to start you off. It's definitely it'll teach, you'll know how to trade in a sense, but that's only if you got the $300 to spend. I personally recommend you get yourself a couple books, read some books. So overall, the Swag Academy, I'll give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? You guys will see my journey on trading, so you'll see me going from knowing nothing about trading. Let's see what I can do, right? But I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave a like, you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing more content for you guys soon. I've been working on my trading skills. I'll let you guys know what my results are, okay? And the way it looks. I'm afraid it's over.